Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the Windows Legacy Media Player on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in optional. Best results should come back with manage optional features. Go ahead and select that. And then underneath optional features at the top, select add a feature, and then you want to search for media player. Go ahead and check mark next to that to install Windows Media Player Legacy and select add, and then give that a moment. And then once that's done, you may need to restart your computer for the change to take effect, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.